Simpsons Bowling, Beat the Champ, Elf Bowling 1 and 2, EMF Bowling World Lanes, 10 Pin Alley 2, Kinect Sports, PlayStation Home, Mario Sports Mix, 10th Frame, Galactic Bowling, RocketBowl, Lucky Strike Lanes, Super Bowling, Atari Bowling, Bowling, Virtual Bowling, High Velocity Bowling, Silver Strike Bowling, Championship Bowling, Gutterball 2, Demolition Inc, Nestor's Funky Bowling, Brunswick Pro Bowling, League Bowling, 10 Pin Alley, Brunswick Circuit Pro Bowling.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.